The Nigerian entertainment industry has been thrown into mourning following the death of Afolabi, a renowned actor, producer, and director in the Yoruba movie industry. His colleague, Ola Yusuf, confirmed the news of his passing in a post on his Instagram page. Yusuf expressed his grief and prayed for the deceased to rest in peace. Details surrounding the actor's death are yet to be disclosed, as reported by both. Afolabi had recently celebrated his birthday on May 5th, where he had made a special request to God for blessings, grace, and strength to continue serving him faithfully. The actor's death is a significant loss to the Nigerian movie industry.